Hello friends, welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. This week, market made new high of 17,948 on Nifty and 60,338 on Sensex. We saw more than 600 points movement in Nifty, still it respected over given levels of 17,350 to 17,400 on downside of 17,800 to 17,900. On upside, market traded marginally below and above given levels but never closed below or above our given band. Last week we also said volatility above 15 may see more of it in coming week, and the same happened. VIX made high of 18 and low of 10 and closed near 17 in past week. Put call ratio below 1 for second consecutive week, suggesting more upside in market. But at the same hand, we may also find further increased volatility as well. Coming back to this week BT Market Talk Weekend Review, in which we are going to take a look at the comparative analysis of then Nifty level with Nifty now, along with then index P and volatility as well. We will also be looking at FII, DII buying selling figures, option chain data and important levels to watch for Nifty. So without wasting more times, let's start. Welcome to Budgetary TV's BT Market Talk Weekend Review. Nifty closed at 17,853, registered positive weekly close with gain of more than 250 points, that is 1.50% higher. In September, market registered gain of more than 700 points, that is little more than 4% gain. And in current financial year, Nifty is up by 3,162 points, that is more than 20%. Let's look back to the Nifty journey. 1 year back on 14 September, Nifty was at 10,805, which is by now up by more than 7,000 points, that is around 65%. 3 years back on 24th September 2018, Nifty was at 10,967, is up by around 63% with 6,900 points gain. And 5 years back on 24th September 2016, it was at 8,831, now at 17,853, is up by 9,000 points, that is above 100%. Let's look at FII and DII data. Last Friday, FII bought for around 442 crores, whereas DII were sold for 516 crore. In last week, FII stands as net seller just near 8 crore and DII bought for more than 3,000 crore. In September, so far both FII and DII stands as a buyer of rupees 7,100 crore and 1,000 crore respectively. Current financial year, FII still stands as net seller of around 3,700 crore and DII supporting the market by giving a strong buying hand of above 4,600 crore. Now moving to option chain data, looking at top 5 open interest, positions of calls and put suggest markets may trade between 17,200 to 18,200 levels in coming week with high volatility. To conclude, on downside, Nifty may take support near 17,450 to 17,500 levels in near week, whereas on upside, it may witness resistance around 18,000 to 18,100 levels. Market's mood is still positive and will remain positive till mood of retailers turns bullish on market. Happy new week ahead. Thank you for watching Budgetary TV. Let's meet the next week for next review.